Hello everyone. You are welcome to my channel. My name is Damilola. Just in case you're seeing me for the first time, and if you're a returning subscriber, just know that you're my person and I love you so much. Thank you for the support. Today, I'm talking about something that I've been asked a couple of times, and I just feel like it's better to share here. And it is the correct order of applying your skincare products. I even remember there was a time I told somebody to, she was doing the skincare and she didn't know how to go back, so I told her to write everything on a paper and paste it on her bathroom wall. That way she will know which one comes after the next. Now, when it comes to application or the use of your skincare products, the ultimate rule is to apply your products from thinnest to thickest, i.e., from the thinnest product. And by thinnest and thickest, I mean in consistency, how it runs. So from the thinnest skincare product to the thickest skincare product. That is how your skin can absorb all the products well into your skin without it piling up or without it, having adverse effects on your skin. Now we are going to take it one after the other. I'm going to talk about each product and how to apply them. And we'll start from number one, non-negotiable, your cleanser. Very compulsory. You have to cleanse your face. That trend they've been doing on TikTok that you don't have to wash your face, you don't have to cleanse your face every day. Don't answer them. Oh, it's a lie. Cleansing your skin, it's you just have to cleanse your skin. I don't know how else to explain it or how else to state the importance, but guys, wash your, it's like you're not washing, it's like eating on dirty plate every time. I hope that captures the explanation. And when it comes to cleansing, you can either wash your face once or double cleanse. And situations where you have to double cleanse are when, say, you used retinol overnight, then you can double cleanse in the morning. To be honest, you don't really need to double cleanse if you are sure that the cleanser you are using will get rid of everything. But for two-factor authentication, you can double cleanse your skin. Also, if you have makeup on, that one is, I feel like that one is not negotiable. Now, when it comes to double cleansing, your first cleanse will be with cleansing oil, cleansing balm, micellar water, and cotton pad. Please don't use wipes. Don't clean your makeup with wipes. It doesn't do. I've spoken about my bias with wipes a couple of times. Don't use wipes to clean your face. I feel like with your skin type and what your skin can tolerate, you will know the right one to choose for your skin. If you are going to stick to cleansing oil or cleansing balms or micellar water and anything, but whatever it is, if you have makeup on, then double cleansing is a must. So after using any of the three, then you use your regular face wash. That is how to double cleanse. You can also double cleanse on days that maybe you've had a very long day outside, you've used your sunscreen over and over, and you just want to make sure you're getting total rid of it before you do your nighttime routine. Then you can also double cleanse. Again, if you are sure your cleanser will get rid of everything and you wash it very well, it's okay. Double cleansing is not a must. So talking about the correct order, the first step, the number one thing on that list is to cleanse your skin. Second one is to apply your toner. Honestly, this is totally in cap locks, optional. Toners are not important. I don't even think they are necessary, but you can use them. I mean, people make them for a reason, so but they are completely optional. If you want to use your toner comes right after using your cleanser. Now, if after washing your face, obviously you pat your face dry or you allow it to air dry, whatever form you want to get rid of the water, what a toner does is to balance the pH of your skin. It brings back moisture to the skin. So, but then again, totally optional. So after your cleanser comes your toner. Then number three is your essence or your serum. Anyone you want to use. Most times serums and essence are usually the same consistency. So this is where the thinnest to thickest rule comes in. Let's say you're applying more than 2-3 serums in a routine, then you make sure you start with the thinnest one, the one that is not thick. That's the one you start with, because once you start with the ones that is very thick, it will be difficult for the skin to absorb the one that is thin that you apply after. It's just a waste. The skin might not be able to absorb it. So yeah, when it comes to your essence or serums, you apply from the thinnest serum or essence to the thickest serum or essence. So now, For the correct order, we have the cleanser, the toner, then essence or serum. After that is your moisturizer. Now for moisturizers, is usually in different forms. It could be cream, it could be eye cream, it could be lotion. Now different, everything, all of them are moisturizers. But you know how people like to karama all of these things. Although the difference between lotion and cream is in the consistency too. Lotions are usually more watery, while creams are usually thick. Now, when it comes to moisturizers and you're using more than one, let's say, for example, you want to use in a particular routine, you want to use your retinol, you want to use your eye cream, and you want to use your moisturizer. The order at which you apply the three depends on the consistency of the three products and how much your skin can tolerate it. I'll put it into context. Let's say retinol irritates your skin, then you might want to use it last after you've used your moisturizer. Now, if your skin can tolerate retinol and it doesn't do anything to you, then you can use it before you use your moisturizer. If you need to use your eye cream and your eye cream is not as thick as your moisturizer, then you can go in with your eye cream before you use your moisturizer. But if your moisturizer, the main moisturizer, is the thinnest out of these three, then you use it first before you go in with the other products that in form of moisturizer that you want to use in that routine. I hope this makes sense. So that means your cleanser, your toner, essence or serum, then your moisturizer. Then for your morning routine, also important, non-negotiable, you cannot but use it, is your sunscreen. Guys, please use your sunscreen. Don't listen to people that are saying we are black people, we don't need sunscreens. Our fathers, our foremothers, they did not use skinny con. Don't answer them. Oh. Use your sunscreen and use it diligently. If you are going to be outside, if you are going to be all and about in the sun, make sure you reapply. Now that we're even approaching summer, use your sunscreen. Summer aside, I feel like if you are living in Nigeria, it's usually summer from January to December. Use your sunscreen. Nigeria is hot, especially if you are dealing with hyperpigmentation. A lot of people use a lot of exfoliants and acids, and they still complain that these things are not working. Their patches are not fading. The hyperpigmentation. Are you using your sunscreen? It's not just about using it. Are you diligent with? Some of you will use it once in a week. Some of you will use a bottle of sunscreen for 4 months. And you're wondering why it's not working. Now you know it. Let me quickly run through the correct order again. You have your cleanser, your toner, optional, your essence or your serums, your moisturizers, and your sunscreen. Then for your night routine, you don't need to use your sunscreen. There's no sun at night. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will be there to answer you. All you need to do is to ask. That's what, just ask and it shall be given unto you and it shall be answered. Thank you so much, guys, for hanging out with me again today. I will where am I didn't even tell you guys to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video so that the algorithm can recommend it to other people. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Please turn on your post notifications so that you'll be the first to know when I drop amazing videos like this. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.